Yo, what up guys, your boy just started Destination and she says have to follow us at Chete. So guys, today doing something different, something that I'm here with. I'm here with the ones. I think you'll know them. Yeah, but if you don't know them, the one that wanted me. And this one, Lena
No, he's mine.
No. They told me. So guys, today Fana came for like a mini ice cream date.
Yeah.
Like it's the two of them and it's me. Yeah. Give me chat. You guys don't forget to like. More? Like, don't forget to like, subscribe. Don't forget to like, subscribe, comment, share. Danko. So guys, I told you all, killing two birds with one stone. Huh? I'm killing two birds with one stone today. Don't ask me how, but yeah, I'm doing it. I'm the only one that can do it. You get me, chat. Don't forget to like. What are you buying? What are you buying? Huh?
Something like that.
Whoa, this shit ain't working. Hey, it's not working. The thing is not working. Nigga, come here. Bro, hey, hey, sisters, come here. Someone is busy disturbing me. 49ers.
Stop it, I like it.
Stop what? So guys, yeah, today I'm killing two birds with one stone. Don't forget to like, subscribe, comment, share, and hit the notification bell. And get notified whenever we drop. So yeah, don't forget to like, subscribe, comment, share, man. So what are you buying? These people are not buying, they don't know what they're buying. Shorty has started again with her problems now. Oh, this thing is not working. Like I say, we are tired. I'm not sure my tail. It's not working.
Be patient with me.
Just
Chocolate Sunday.
Things are expensive. I got cash. Yeah. I found to buy this. There's no milkshake. Can I get soft sweet chocolate?
Yes.
You want with soft sweet chocolates? What's this thing, Mr. Allen? King to the two, like a make money.
Saudi.
What's the difference?
What is this?
Chopped. I think there's like a malva.
What are you doing, dog? What? Oh.
How many are we?
That sounds like a beautiful one.
Oh,
Jump, fast. Print them. Done.
Wow, what's up, man? Guys, today I'm killing 2 birds with 1 stone. If you don't get it, for that, man.
We don't get fucked. That's a bag top of another.
Yeah, get me?
Yeah.
So, who loves me the most? Bro,
It's obviously me, like.
who loves me the most?
Nagana, Maltana.
I want to talk or at the solution and I get it kept us to swap.
Shaudi. I was Shaudi.
Bro, who do you think loves me the most?
Or at a chelet and I get a pizza.
Nagana.
Most was spending.
Exactly.
Why are you saying you just spend the more? What about this one? What about her? She's wearing a fat towel.
Exactly.
Mara, like she said, Archer.
Hey,
Acha, that's more money. You can just buy pizza and eat it like that. Why would you buy acha on top of pizza?
So who do you think cares the most about me, Mo? Who do you think cares the most between these two?
almost sorry lang. But we're not like local egg.
Why?
Thank you.
Why again? What about her? Don't you love her?
Why? Yeah, but like, she's not there. Like, look at her. Like,
Now not camera, Lena. You're not camera. Kawaja. No, Marka, Kamuta,
Like, imagine, like, how can you do that?
Says I can get it.
Nah, like, don't fight, guys. Don't fight.
I'll get it.
No, lebaka le
Mohadi.
Mamelang. Lebaka le le two. Lebaka le le two.
I want to do like a
So, let's start. That's le bambanani. Tshwaranang.
I want to Nakaruja cheese of Italia.
Shit.
Says I go to
not even
commerce.
like that,
I can't
like,
go to commerce, my
hey, one now.
You see, like, we don't deal with these kind of people like out here, you see. Like, we're very calm and stuff.
Ba bona tsana tso a gone go bya botepe fase ba masepa a di pavement ka bosepa ba go motho o tlo go fa mathata be o tlo go fa mathata
Speedy song, you
I
know.
can't do
English.
that.
I don't do what she talks she does I don't
Hey, nigga, stop touching my wife. What's wrong with you?
Hey, man, we
Hey, man, go switch up. Go, who's the local? One test, no one test. No one never play.
I didn't see
Go. Those are the two.
Dimakazo wants that guy in that car. Last time I saw her standing with that guy in the car. At the car.
Situba to me says we I do not partake in such activities. In fact, I do not partake in such vile activities.
No, like guys, no. Nothing. You're joking, I guess. Everything is a joke, ne?
Ask her. I'm going to watch her. Ask her.
She's speaking English to me, so like, why is she saying I'm only speaking English? She's also speaking English.
I was like, let's go on now. What's it?
No, I'm just joking. Like,
Sepela, na great ka maoto a maka.
Okay, thank you, how thank you, how.
Hello, go on over to you.
No,
song
no,
explain.
listen. Kila kata lili tu. What do you mean?
No, song explain.
Kila kata lili tu. Ejo. Mama.
I can go.
Kila kata lili tu.
Oh, what can you go?
ke rata wena o le one for eng ke nyaka le two
for eng a se gore a ona mosadi a ka dumelang gore re be two o se gang a sa bolele gore le ene nyoko ba e bane gone nna monna ka sekwaya ke shere monna nna a ke skefan ka monna
but we agree on this he re le kwa ne re bolela gang
polygamist
goreng ne re bolela gang na go re leo stop batla le tlhela bja y'all two
o jabetsa ka sekgowa re bolela o thomile o bolela nna English re thomile go bolela sona le wena
see that maybe you can understand that we had an agreement that y'all two Joe, okay, ke bolela ka Sepedi.
Go bona tlhashetse botsa ke go.
Joe, bo le na le two. Le tlo utlwana bile le ka sebe. And so that what I'm saying is that we had an agreement that both of y'all you're gonna get along.
Yes.
Stop fighting.
We're not fighting.
Yeah?
But I can tell ice cream and look so clan. Ke like nyaka maotwana mo tlo mpotsa ka di ice cream jokes fela.
She wants maotwana.
Bro, do you love me?
Ke a morata. I don't love him. Ke a morata.
You love me?
You can stop the video now.
Okay, start playing the video. I'm gonna send you.
The ice cream is fell, bro. The ice cream almost fell.
So now, guys, we're gonna do a little. I wanna do a little Q&A. So you're gonna ask us questions. Yeah, you're gonna ask us questions. Both of you. You can start.
Who do you like the most? Morality.
Who do I like the most?
Yeah.
This is a hard one. This is a hard one. This is a hard one. Trust me. This is a hard one. Who do I love the most? What makes you love me?
You're supposed to be asking yourself that question.
What makes you love me?
I cannot believe it. That's how it is. Because that means if you take it, you get like maybe let's take it. That means if I talk about
Yo, that's it. That's a hard one. Like I love both of them.
Can't.
Oh, trust me. Nigga, trust me.
Me so.
Nigga, trust me.
Okay. So I'm gonna ask you, what makes you allow Unati to share?
Yeah, what makes you like say yes to the for you?
I feel
Yeah,
like,
to the polygamy. It's a polygamy.
Yes.
Yeah, what makes you say yes? Yes. To the
I feel like she's a kind person, but sometimes we fight. So like as I met her, right? Because I saw her on your phone, right? And then I found out, and then you introduced me to her, and I don't know how I felt about it at first, but now I'm cool with it.
No, like this is relax.
I'm not fighting.
Relax. Okay, ask her now. What makes you say yes to the polygamy?
Yes. Mara,
Yes.
Kitareng.
Why are we here?
Oh, Kitareng, Kitareng. And I'm not so glad you're out.
So our way now and Keromupid. I'll go to the speed. When you're not having when now leave why? Why?
But it's that.
No, like one good reason. You're a cashier.
Hey.
It's a question telling you commenting.
Yeah?
Then you put the comment section.
Yes. On the way.
Go your TikTok here.
Tana pause that. Tana one pause. Sean is already done eating. Is it eating? Do you eat an ice cream or what? Until let's go. Yeah, ask.
What does a healthy relationship look like to you?
In the setup.
What does it look like?
Yeah.
In the setup of polygamy.
Yeah.
What does it look like?
And the
Looks like
set.
us. Looks like us.
No, in the set of polygamy. Like, I want to go to control. Like,
The worst cause is deep.
What is healthy relationship between the relationship as one again? Because this is a so what is a healthy relationship look like in the setup?
Looks like us.
No.
I should ask another question. I don't know how to answer that question.
You can say maybe it's nice to have two wives, support things like that.
Guys. Just kidding. Canada freezer. Yeah. No, let's ask you like in English because like most viewers
They speak English.
yeah. So first question is so the question is how do I handle jealousy or insecurity when it comes up? Okay, how do you handle it? Not me. How do you handle it? How do you handle jealousy and insecurity?
I don't even know what to say. I keep calm. Like, there's nothing I can do. Like, I think I'm gonna later take my men, well, our men, away from myself. No.
I'm not always humble myself, and I tell myself that this man belongs to me. And when someday come back to his senses,
you are still going on the same thing again and again. Still going on the same thing again and again. We did talk about this. And now you're still fighting about the same thing.
I'm
no, we're
not
not
fighting.
fighting. We are
Oh, being back and forth. This is saying my man. Oh, I'm your man.
I said our man
Yeah.
at first. She said my man.
Our man. Go open the phone.
Next question. Oh, ask us a few questions, bro. Hey, ask us a few questions.
So, are you willing to marry them both? Or
What?
Me.
Hey.
ke mare gan
guys, no, I understand. How we mean are we to ring Mary? Like Mary it's an avian guarantee.
Oh.
Like, that's a deep question.
Yeah. Okay. So like, am I planning to marry the both of them? The question is, the answer is no.
What?
They're not fit to be married.
They're not what?
They're not fit to be married.
No,
No, listen. No, listen. What I'm saying is, for now, you are not fit. You are still you're fighting almost every day. Like you're like jealous of each other. I don't understand what's going on, but that's what for now. Only if you can improve that. take each other as sisters, then everything will be fine.
Wait until I get.
Another question there, nigga.
Let me think.
Yes.
Your longest relationship.
The first one.
Who's the first one?
Yeah, who's the first one?
Who's the first one?
Jangan lili tu awak.
What?
Jangan lili.
Sebetulnya lama. Ki bangun.
Who did you meet first?
Yeah, me first. I met her first.
So, what made you want her if you met her?
Yeah, that means I'm like now.
The answer is the problem about her, like she's always speaking Spain. Joe. I need like someone that can talk English, like speak English, you know, get me. Yeah. So like yeah. And also she yo this is a personal one. Nah, she's good. Yeah, that she's good. Oh, nah, you good, man. You good, like, you get me. Oh. I just feel like, why do I you like, the answer is, fair, like, I need like two people. I need two different personalities. I've been with her to like the same personality. Why I can't and I need.
Oh,
Like,
so that means
no.
then if you like a realistic personality, then it's more for that means it down.
Exactly.
No, it's not like that. But if both of you all listen, kids come cooking away doing that thing. I'm gonna add another one. It's gonna be a two of you all.
Maybe even fourth. You never know.
No. Listen for now.
Right.
My man. For now, like,
So can I ask me? When I can cheat, ne? But if she does so, what you gonna do?
she puts eggs.
Why?
If I can cheat, I'm not cheating. This is a polygamy, I'm not cheating. But like if she does the same. Madam, that's no. You still wanna be in the relationship?
That's my question to
You
you.
still wanna be in the relationship?
Yes, I do, but like,
You still wanna be in the relationship?
Are you gonna ask questions about it?
Let me think. Okay. Yeah. Let's look like this. Wait, now, how do you feel like right now? How do you feel about this thing?
It disgusts me and it also irritates me, man. But then I don't take it to you now.
Well, now, how
So
do
just
you
gotta
feel?
accept it.
How do you feel?
She's okay. That she's like
No,
at first.
no,
answer
no,
for her.
don't. Like,
listen,
let's be first.
listen. He's actually right. I'm fine with this, with what's happening right now. But like, I think
Can I comment?
yes, you can.
The problem is that you lack self-respect. You get me? No, I'm not fighting. I'm just stating fact. You lack self-respect. No, because I don't think if not only self-respect, self-love, no, like you may not we do for another massage.
Okay, must I leave this
No,
relationship?
you said that. I'm just saying.
I think I should.
No one is leaving here. No one is leaving. No one is leaving. That's what I'm talking about. Both of y'all. If it has to leave her, I have to leave one. I'm not gonna leave one. I'm gonna leave the both of y'all and start a fight. Ningshange isikhathi. Khona abantu bangifuna ngaphandle.
You can
That's
go.
what that's what you're gonna keep. No, listen.
No, you can go. It's
Listen.
fine. So let me even tired. I'm even tired.
But listen, thing is, if you're gonna keep doing that, no, it's not gonna work out. Mama, nah. So feel like now.
I'm not actually disrespectful, actually. Mina, I have no problem with her. I think she has a problem with me, but I'm not fighting. I'm not fighting. I'm not fighting. What are you doing? Like that?
Yeah.
Tell them out one of God.
How to me?
Shawty?
Do you like Motwana?
Yes.
Why?
My favorite. Why? Because no, yes.
I bought both of them sushis yesterday. I had ditlhapi nahana fe.
Yeah?
So o tse amang wa misa restaurant teng a tse amang wa misa skopo.
Okay, let's move this one. This is a housewife.
Yeah?
This is a housewife.
God. She's a housewife, but she's expensive. She's a housewife. She's not expensive. Yeah, better go where it's not expensive. But
like,
no, but like listen.
so like now you're choosing her.
Basically, see,
I'm choosing both of them.
But
Kau nak kasi bira lang ako kay Chuchu.
I'm okay. What do you mean? What's wrong with me?
Okay, please touch Nji. Shake hands together, show that you're fine.
Must be okay, dog.
Sure.
You're like, what? When?
Stop.
Hey, wait. What?
I told you.
Doesn't like, let me tell you something. See, I'm very irritated right now of what he said. Well, of what you said, because basically you chose her because she's cheap. Obviously, I'm expensive, dog. Like, what do you mean? You can see her, dog. Like, bro.
Wait.
Dog, this.
Wait, listen. Hey, mama. Listen. Hey, Mona.
No, Bamba this one.
now she's disrespecting me.
Ntho e iralang
She's
imo.
disrespecting me, bro.
After he's eating the ice cream,
Bana batho ba mona de eh.
What you gonna do? What you gonna do?
Serious.
What are you gonna do about it?
Listen.
Nothing.
Listen. Muna, why are you shooting them, too? Why are you shooting, bro? Are you mad? Wait,
Wait, so you're fighting with me now, like? Are you okay, my sister? Are you okay?
No, I'm tired.
Bona relax, tla go botsa.
Good, I'm tired.
Sarata dintwa. Ish.
Oh, why is he talking like my wife now? Why am I getting my wife? Why is he talking my wife? Listen, you all two, don't fight.
Wait,
Don't fight, listen.
Let's hold your bitch.
I am. Listen.
Why are you holding me? Hold her.
Listen. Wait a minute, bro. Relax. Calm down. Stop there for the nana, Steve. Please, listen. Please calm down.
Whoa, stop the
No,
videos.
wait.
Stop.
So like, listen, there's a Valentine matter. No, like, seriously, see that. I need your like to. Please, can compare. Stop fighting.
We're not retired.
No, listen.
Like for real?
No, listen.
Like, yeah.
Listen.
Arthur, let's go home. Let's go.
No, listen.
Let's go.
We need something.
Yeah. No, let's go.
We're fine.
But like, bro. No.
No,
Ganja.
What? You. Bro, wait. Because since you're shooting a video, I read to know a video when we're fighting. Listen to me.
Yes, I'm listening.
Let's comment. You see this? He's so fucking broke. Yeah. He doesn't have money. Or just ice cream or KFC. After motor, but I'll pull him up for the tag. Let's go home.
Bye-bye.
Did the ice cream? Did the ice cream stop? Oh. No. Hey.
Bro, like.
Guys, please. Guys, please. Dimarato. Hope, please come back. Please.
Stop.
Please. Hope. Guys, please. I need you in my life. Marato. Guys.
So they became friends just like
And they left me both of them, bro.
So now they are friends, just like that.
Hope. Please.
Donna, don't cry, man.
And they
Donna,
left
don't
me
cry.
both of them, bro. Hope. Matala, that doesn't help. Matala, you always kuza me. Always you're kuzaring me.
Kini when we ready flow for you.
Bro, Matala, they are fighting on their own. Mana, fuck you.
They are
man.
friends
Don't
now,
talk.
like. They became friends.
Why are you no?
Man, I need them back, bro. I need them back. Nigga, I need them back.
Forget it.
I need those people. Bro, I love both of them. Yo, and this shouldn't be happening to me, nigga. I want to be busy. If I can totally myself, bro, I'll cook. I want to like that, bro. That's my wife.
So. Don't join the boss, yeah, boss, yeah.
Bro, my wives are beating me up. This nigga's not helping me one level la fela. I feel like a prayer. Kids on that too. Fuck. I'm so low, like. Guys, please. Listen. I'm so sorry. Listen. Hope.
When if tag man ka camera
Hope.
Excuse me.
Guys, I need your back.
Put tag a camera.
So, but I'm not fighting. I'm just doing my job.
Job.
I'm doing my job.
I need you back.
What about
Oh, shut the fuck up, nigga.
He pays me.
Nigga, shut the fuck up. Please. Listen. Listen.
No, I don't wanna listen. I don't wanna listen. I don't wanna listen.
No. I need your back.
No.
I need your back.
Nah.
Please listen to me. I need your back.
But he pays me though. I'm just doing my job.
Bro,
What like I registered ice cream with this.
listen. I will say such things on the video. Please, Ntwana, please. Hope.
My sister, I'm not fighting. Just doing my job.
Bro, mamele.
You don't wanna listen, Nati.
Ngesamkhozi. Hamamini. Afethu nyokola leni.
Matala.
Visite. Hey.
Macala ka simple food. Oh, come here. Let me I'm so sorry.
When
But like I need the both of you all. I need the both of you. No.
Nati, hold your hand. Like, no.
Listen,
Hold your
I need
hand.
the both of you all. I
See
need
now.
the both of them in my life. Please. Oh.
That's let me tell you.
Listen.
ke tlo go bethane
Listen. Listen.
tlo go mura
Hold your hand, bro.
Wait.
She wants to fight with me for no
ke tlo
reason
go
now.
mura ke go murela le gore o tsamaya o ntša ka camera.
Leave me alone, bro. Like,
Oh.
I don't want to listen, bro.
Oh. Listen. Oh. Talk to me. Oh.
So can you stop holding her? What's the problem?
Even you. Come here. Let's talk. Let's talk. Please, let's talk. Let's talk. Let's talk.
no, sir.
Listen. I'm so sorry. Oh. Even you.
So why are you touching me? You might as well just talk to your man if you kiss your man. Why do you guys back? Fucking can't see.
Ke tlo go fothela ka mpama nke tlogele.
When? Don't make us crazy.
Unati, hold your bitches, Joe. Like, whoa, like, whoa. I'm not fighting. I'm not fighting with you, my sister.
So why would we tell the bitches?
Excuse.
I'm the one who made you do that hair, so don't come with your nonsense.
So what? All cutting is fine. Tomorrow, dinner by tonight.
Hi, boo.
Say, they belong.
Guys, it is what it is. Oh.
No.
Musto kuyenza le.
Oh. Marathon. Marathon. Sweetie. Sweetie. Mamily.
So why would you tell us so?
Mamily. I need your bag. Echo, I need your bag. I need your bag.
Wankama.
I need your bag. Hey. Eh, mna kuyahlolelwa mna. Kuyahlolelwa. Macala.
Ano, ke mkhuzitsi.
Ngithatha i-content, ngidizwe uzongibhekisa.
So,
I got home now. They don't wanna talk to me. Luckily. So guys, what I'm gonna say is, please don't forget to like, subscribe, comment, share, and hit notification bell and get notified whenever I drop more bangles. Cause